Hello, I will introduce the Python-based XTAG grammar viewer that was developed by Ziqi Wang, Haotian Zhang, and Anoop Sarkar at the SFU Natural Language Lab. Our XTAG grammar viewer can be used to view the wide coverage English grammar that was developed as part of the XTAG project at UPenn. The viewer is built on top of the Natural Language Toolkit, NLTK, and we hope it will become part of NLTK in a future release. The XTAG project is a research project on natural language grammars. You can just Google the keywords, the XTAG project. And the first result should be a link to the proper page. And from that page, we can see an introduction to the XTAG. It was a project to develop a wide coverage grammar for English using the lexicalized tree-adjoining grammar, or TAG formalism. So now let's start using the XTAG grammar viewer. Our code is available on GitHub, and it requires NLTK to be installed. First, you need to download the XTAG grammar and install it into the NLTK data directory. We have an install script to do this, which can be downloaded from the GitHub repository of the SFU Natural Language Lab. Go to github.com/sfu-netlang/xtag-english-grammar and follow the install instructions in the README file there. So if you are using Linux or Mac OS, just copy this instruction and run that in the terminal. So we will copy this one. Now the install.sh file has been downloaded. After downloading the install.sh file, run that script. It will automatically help you to download the grammars and install them. It takes a couple of seconds to read the grammar and save it. Okay, now it is done. The second step is to check out the grammar viewer code on GitHub. Go to github.com/sfu-netlang/xtag-nltk and download the zip file containing this code. Put it somewhere convenient and run python draw.py. Wait for a few seconds and then you will see the main window. The window is divided into 4 parts. At the very top is an input box and a selection box. These two are used to input or select words. The middle left is a list box, which is used to select trees to display. The middle right is a canvas, on which the trees and feature structures are drawn. And on the bottom we have some buttons and text box. And there are small tools to help us look at the grammar more clearly. Now we can start to explore the grammar by selecting an entry on the middle left list box. Initially, there are tens of tree families and trees to choose from. Just click on any tree you like, and you will see the tree on the middle right part of the window. Also, there is a comment on the canvas, which acts as a guide about how the trees can be used. Click on the label called comment, and you can display or hide the comment on the canvas. So here is a label for comments. By default, the program draws the tree nodes together with the feature structures. If you don't want to see feature structures, then just click the Hide Feature Structure button on the bottom here. And the features will be hidden. This makes the tree easier to inspect. For example, in this tree now we can see there are three types of nodes here. The node with a diamond is the anchor node, and the node with an arrow is the substitution node. And finally, the node with a star is the adjunction node. Instead of eliminating features, we can also add features. Click the Add Start Feature button at the bottom. You can add the start feature to the top part of the root node. So here is the start feature and it has been added to the root node. Besides, we can also filter the feature structures using regular expressions. On the bottom text box, you can type in a regular expression, such as assign-start, and then click Remove. As you can see, all feature entries with the regular expression assign dash and something is removed. And if you click Keep, and if you click Keep, and if you click Keep, then all qualified entries are kept. Similarly, if you click Highlight, then the entries are highlighted. Any valid regular expression to Python's regular expression library RE can be accepted. On the top of the window, you can type in a word or some words, and click the search button. Then all trees applicable to this word is shown on the middle left. For example, if we type in walked, and we can see the tree for this word. When you are viewing trees, you can also click the selection box on the top, and you will see a list of words available for this tree. Just choose some words on the selection box, then click the Select button. The effect is the same as typing in the word and click Search. We also have a tag parser under development, and it should come out early next year. Also, if you find some bugs in the code or in the grammar, then please create an issue on our GitHub repository pages. This is the research assistant Ziqi speaking. Thank you for watching this video.